how much should you actually spend on an energy-efficient single-serve blender for smoothies? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Ninja Fit Compact Blender. First up is the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This little powerhouse caught my eye with its compact design and 700-watt motor, ideal for quick smoothies on the go. If you want a blender that delivers solid performance without taking up too much counter space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Pulse technology means you can blend everything from frozen fruit to leafy greens, unlocking hidden nutrients that are often left behind. It comes with two 16-ounce to-go cups, making it perfect for those busy mornings. And with over 10,000 units sold just this month, it's clearly resonating with smoothie lovers. Now, some people complained about the noise level during operation. Here's the thing though, while it might not be the quietest option, the power it brings to the table makes it a non-issue for most users looking for efficiency and speed. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need something compact yet powerful. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter blending experience. For its price point, it really offers great value. Now, if you're worried about the noise level of the Ninja Fit, the next one might be even better for a quieter experience.
Product number 2, Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro with Auto IQ. Next up is the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro with Auto IQ. This one really stood out to me with its sleek silver design and impressive 1100 peak watt motor. If you're after something that can handle tough ingredients while still being easy to use, take a closer look at this. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The two Auto IQ programs are a game changer. You can make smoothies or crushed ice drinks with just a touch of a button, saving you time and hassle. Plus, it extracts nutrition from whole fruits and veggies, utilizing every bit for your healthiest smoothies yet. With over 10,000 sold this month, it's clear that many find this a worthy investment. Now, some users highlighted that the cups can be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though. If you're looking for maximum capacity and performance, that extra size is just a small trade-off for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different smoothie recipes. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact. For what you get, the price is justified. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a budget-friendly choice. Product number 3, Magic Bullet Blender. Up next is the Magic Bullet Blender, a classic that many swear by. This compact silver blender caught my attention with its lightweight design and versatile 11-piece set. If you're looking for something that's easy to store and quick to clean, this is worth considering. When you think about convenience, this blender nails it. The 250-watt motor may seem low, but it's perfect for small tasks like smoothies and dips. It's designed to fit in any kitchen, making it ideal for anyone with limited counter space. Plus, with over 10,000 sold recently, it's still a favorite in many households. However, some users have mentioned that it may struggle with tougher ingredients. Here's the thing, if you're just making basic smoothies or sauces, this isn't a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-fuss blender that's easy to clean. Skip this one if you need something that can handle ice or frozen fruits often. For the price, it's a solid value for everyday use. Now, if you want something that packs even more power, the next product is going to impress you. Product number 4, Consiat CB08 Blender. Now, let's talk about the Consiat CB08 blender. This one really grabbed my attention with its 900 peak watts and 11-piece set. If you want a versatile option that can handle more than smoothies, this blender is worth a serious look. What stands out is the unique asymmetric blade and turbo structure that creates a vortex for blending, allowing it to pulverize even the toughest ingredients. This means you get smooth shakes and soups with ease. The hands-free operation is another bonus, making it simple to use. With over 4,000 units sold, it's gaining traction for good reason. Now, some buyers reported that it can be a bit complicated to clean due to multiple pieces. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the performance you gain outweighs the cleaning hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a blender that does it all, from smoothies to soups. Skip this one if you prefer a no-fuss cleanup. Considering all it can do, it's a great investment. If that caught your interest, wait until you hear about the next one, which is all about simplicity.
Product number 5, Koyo Smoothie Blender. Last but not least, we have the Koyo Smoothie Blender. This one really stood out to me with its sleek gray-blue design and powerful 900-watt motor. If you want something that blends efficiently while being easy to operate, give this one a look. The upgraded stainless steel crossblade can handle ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, turning them into smooth, nutrient-rich drinks in just seconds. Plus, the 2 portable cups are perfect for taking your smoothies on the go. With over 3,000 sold this month, it definitely has its fans. However, some users did mention that it requires a bit of pressure to start blending. Here's the thing though, that's a safety feature, ensuring that it only runs when the cup is secured properly, which is a good thing. This is perfect for you if you're always on the move and want a reliable, efficient blender. Skip this one if you need something that operates with a simple press. Considering its features, it's an excellent value for what you get.
So we've covered 5 great energy-efficient single-serve blenders. You've got the Ninja Fit for compact power, the Ninja Nutra Blender Pro for its ease of use, the Magic Bullet for its simplicity, the Conseat CB08 for versatility, and the Koyos for its portability. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.